What were your biggest struggles slash obstacles when starting out? So honestly, I was very, very fortunate when I started out in e-commerce. I actually had basically a mentor to help me. I worked under his wing. I basically was working pretty much for free for him to do his customer service. Basically, I then negotiated my way up to 30% because I proved my value, and then 50%, and then we work on some projects now, but we don't really work too much together anymore. But I was very fortunate in that position. Typically, right in the beginning, my biggest kind of obstacle was just kind of my mentality, obviously, right? It was just purely my mentality of just not getting stressed about certain things. Like, the way I look at life is like, there's things to get stressed about. Like, the things to get stressed about, there's stuff that you can change, and the stuff that you can impact and you get stressed about, the stuff that you can't impact and get stressed about. The stuff that you can't impact and get stressed about, it's pointless because you can't impact it in any way, so your stress is completely and utterly pointless. Whereas there's stuff that you can impact and you get stressed about, so you fix it to the best of your ability till you can do no more, and then there's no point in stressing about it because you can't change it in any way. So that was the kind of most important kind of obstacle to get over, because I would constantly be stressed about certain things when I was first in my e-commerce journey. But then I got used to it, and now I don't give a fuck kind of thing. Like, I just see this as a video game. I see money as a video game. It's not meaningless, but like, it's just numbers on a screen almost. Like, it's not like, my family's good, my friends are good, like everything's good. Like, I can go retire now if I wanted to. So you get very, like, the biggest obstacle is just removing your emotional attachment to money. Like, it doesn't matter if you lose it or you win it, it just matters if you overall learn and are overall progressing forward. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.